Okay, so welcome back to another packing with me video. This time I am going to Ecuador. If you're new to this channel, my name is Sarah and I make travel and lifestyle vlogs. Most recently I was on Semester at Sea, the Spring 23 voyage, so if you are interested in Semester at Sea at all, you should definitely go check that out. I vlogged literally everything. This summer I actually became a brand ambassador for EF Ultimate Break, so I am going on an EF Ultimate Break trip. It's Ecuador the Galapagos Islands. They booked all my flights, they're doing all the planning. I honestly haven't done any planning besides literally just signing up for this trip. But I leave tomorrow morning. Like the flight's at like 6:55 in the morning or something like that. And I've not packed a single thing. I actually got back from my family vacation to Banff National Park like 3 days ago. I haven't even fully unpacked. Like that's the backpack that I'm bringing on this trip, and I also brought it to Banff and it hasn't been unpacked yet. So we're just gonna go through it and probably just keep most of it in there. I will be doing this whole trip with only a carry-on because that's honestly my preferred way to travel. I don't have to worry about checked bags, don't have to worry about losing them. I can just go to a next flight, no problem. I honestly haven't even looked at the weather that much or what it's gonna be like. It is pretty much on the equator, but we're going to like mainland Ecuador and then also the Galapagos Islands, so I think that weather will be a little different. Basically, I just need to pack for an entire trip in like a couple hours. So that's the plan. I'm of course bringing my trusty blue Samsung carry-on with me. It has gone to a lot of different places and I love it so much. So that's what I'm going to be using again. And then this is just my JanSport backpack. That was my backpack for all of college. And it is just my general backpack for like a personal item whenever I go on any flights. So these are my two sets of packing cubes. This is where I keep them, but I'm definitely gonna be using some of these because I want to make sure that everything's like condensed nicely and not chaotic, and I really love using packing cubes. Both of these I got on Amazon and they are amazing. They're compression packing cubes. Okay, so I just did a little research. So we're going to Quito, Baños, the Galapagos Islands. That's pretty much the three main places we're going. So I did a little weather research and it is all over the place. Truly all over the place. My little teeny little sheet of notes. Quito is gonna be more like high of 75, but like cooler, like it's gonna be more cloudy. Baños is gonna be like high of 45. And then Galapagos Island is gonna be like high of 80 and more summery. So like really all over the place. I think I'm gonna pack more like pants for Quito and Baños, like fall athleisure-y kind of things, and then Galapagos is gonna be more summery. It's gonna be really interesting because this is going in a carry-on only, so this is gonna be really interesting how to do this. Okay. I had to go downstairs to get some things. So weather is gonna be really difficult. I have several coats and the 4 shoes I'm gonna pick from. I'm not gonna bring all 4. I only have carry-on luggage. That is not super smart. I feel like I need to bring my xoxos because we're gonna be going like Galapagos Islands, water, it's gonna be warmer. So I feel like sandal wise I need to bring these. It also might rain in Baños, so I'm not. This is gonna be a lot harder than I thought it was gonna be. Okay, so I think I'm decided on shorts. I think I'm only gonna be bringing 3 pairs of shorts. I'm gone, it's 11 days total. I've got 2 pairs of like pajama shorts here, and then I just have these flower comfy shorts from Aerie, these Fabletic like gray terry cloth shorts from Fabletics, and then these like I call them my safari shorts, but they dry super fast. They're always great to put on like after you go swimming. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna bring those 3 because I think I'll largely just be wearing shorts when we're in the Galapagos Islands, which will only be like 3 of the days we're there, I'm pretty sure. So I think I'm just gonna bring those 3. It's getting later in the day and the sun's going down, so the lighting is gonna keep changing, but I'm going to put all my pants and shorts in this packing cube. I'm still waiting on a pair of like gray joggers that I'm gonna bring with, but they are getting washed right now. I have this pair of like athletic-y dark gray joggers. I'm having 2 leggings, so I have black pair and a light gray pair, and then I have these jeans that I'm gonna bring with. I'm gonna wear these leggings, so I'm gonna leave those out, but I'm gonna put the rest in this packing cube. Okay, so there is all my pants and shorts in there. That actually fits really nicely right here. And then I need to turn this on. Okay, that's better. So I have 9 shirts here, and then I'm gonna bring my semester at sea shirt also in the wash right now, so I'm gonna have 10, but that includes 2 of them as like pajamas. I have an airy green one. I have this like kind of white, off-white one, my Beatles one, Nantucket Grace one, Curacao blue t-shirt, a green crop top, a gray crop top, my Ava Jules In the Sun Is Where You Belong t-shirt, and then this one that's kind of like a nicer one that I can wear with like my jeans, something for like the final dinner or something like that. And then I'm also gonna bring, these are all from Aerie, but these 2 are little crop tank tops that are like loose and flowy that I bring literally everywhere. They're such staples for me. And then I also have this Aerie like tighter white crop top. So those are gonna be my kind of tank tops that I'll wear more like Galapagos Islands, I think. I think I'm gonna bring both of these. I think I might decide to switch out for a different sweatshirt just because they're both blue, but right now I have this just plain navy blue sweatshirt, and then this is my semester at sea light blue shirt. I might switch one of these out for a different sweatshirt, but I think either way I'm going to bring 2 sweatshirts. These are my long sleeves. Again, the weather is all over the place, so we'll see. But so I have my Voyagers National Park green long sleeve, this Free People really thin beachy long sleeve that's super comfortable. I'm pretty sure I'm going to bring this blue flannel. Not totally sure yet. And then my khaki long sleeve that is also one of my classic staples. I also am gonna bring, I bought this like lavender long sleeve in Banff when I was there last week. So I'm gonna bring that as well. But I think that's it for long sleeves because I can kind of layer all those if I need to. And then I think I'm gonna bring my raincoat. It's from Patagonia. I think I'm gonna bring this one just because it's the least bulky one. This is all kind of up in the air. I'm kind of trying to pack fast because I need to leave for a kickball game actually. My brother's playing kickball, and so I'm gonna go watch them shortly, but I'm trying to pack while I still have daylight hours. I still need like socks. Yeah. So let's try and pack all of this, shall we? Okay, I'm just taking out my gray leggings, this green top, and then my flannel, I think, for the airport. Then I'll pack everything else in a packing cube. I'm not sure which one. Maybe this one? Yeah, sure, this one. Raincoat is coming in. I'm gonna be honest, in case you couldn't tell, I am trying to power through and like not think about this too much. So I have like 10 pairs of socks here. I have like 12 pairs of underwear and like 6 bras I think over here. So I'm gonna put those in this packing cube. And then I also have this swimsuit and one other swimsuit that is downstairs that I'm going to put in here. And I'm going to put my tank tops in here as well. Okay, so there's that. I'm going to leave the socks out of there. I think I'm just gonna like stuff the socks in the cracks. Okay, I just got back. It is like 8 o'clock right now, so lighting is just not gonna be good, but you know, you just gotta be okay with it. So I think I've made the executive decision to take most of my stuff out of packing cubes, except for bras and socks and underwear, just because I feel like it'll fit better. And considering I have like an actual suitcase instead of just like a backpack, I think it'll work better. If I was bringing my 40-liter backpack, I would definitely do packing cubes, but since it's a suitcase, I think I don't need everything to be in packing cubes. So we're gonna do that. So I think we're just gonna lay at the bottom here. There's that. And then in here, I'm gonna take these long sleeves out. All my tops, I'm gonna take them out. I just feel like they'll fit in the space better like that. I don't know, we'll see if I'm correct or not. Because this already has this, that's gonna squish it down anyway. So, I don't know. This is all just, it's all just a theory. Okay, yeah, maybe I just folded everything better, but I feel like that's definitely flatter and fits better. And even have a long sleeve in here. Actually, I might be trying to fit 2 more shirts in here. My SAS, oh yeah, my SAS shirt and my Banff long sleeve. I'm gonna try and fit in here. We'll see. Okay, pants and shorts. I feel like I'm good there. Like the amount of stuff, I feel like that's good. I just have some socks, this, and I just need to put my backpack together, but that's not really that hard. Okay, I'm just gonna finish putting my socks, my coat in here. I will definitely have room to throw another pair of shoes in my backpack if I would want to. So I think I'm just gonna try and finish this, put my backpack together, grab my toiletries, and then call it a day. Because the weather situation is weird, I have 5 pairs of like Nike long socks, and then I just have like some random ankle socks. I'm just gonna put those right there. Raincoat. That, and then close this bad boy. Oh yeah, plenty of room. Plenty of room. Okay, there's that. Okay, so let's just do my backpack, and that's pretty much it. Okay, so pretty much all I have left is just put stuff in my backpack. So, I mean, I have my, like, toiletries is just my conditioner and, like, hair gel. Oh, I need it. And then these are just, like, hair towels that I use. And then this is my toiletries. It's pretty simple. I have bar shampoo and conditioner from Lush. And then just, like, contact solution, deodorant, some acne stuff, lotion, face wash. Pretty simple, nothing fancy. I don't wear makeup, so I don't ever have to worry about bringing that. So there's that. And then bag of bags. Just, you never know. You really never know when you're gonna want a Ziploc bag. But here's my backpack. And then, honestly, a lot of the stuff that's already in here is just from my last trip that I didn't take out yet. So I have, like, my glasses, pens, my journal, sunglasses, standard stuff. This is my med bag, like all my allergy and asthma stuff that I could ever want. This is from my last trip. Don't need that. Don't need that. Or that. These are mosquito bands. Definitely do want that. I definitely also want some sunscreen, but I don't know where mine is. I'm gonna need to find that. Let me write that down. I need sunscreen. So my computer obviously is coming with because I don't go anywhere without it. I have my little bum bag here with all my important things in there. Wallet, passport will also be going in my bum bag. It's like a little backpack, so it'll just squeeze flat, and then I'll just carry it out whenever I want to carry a little more stuff. And that's it. So just this backpack, and then I'm using my suitcase as a stand right now. But yeah, that's it. That's all that I have with me for like 2 weeks in Ecuador. I'm gonna be putting one of these shoes in my backpack. I have plenty of room, so I'm gonna think about that a little bit, but know that either Birks or Vans are going in there as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it. But thank you so much for watching. I will obviously be uploading my Ecuador and Galapagos Islands vlogs next, so make sure to watch out for that. And remember, if you want to try out an EF Ultimate Break trip, I'm a brand ambassador, so please use my code UASarahN100. The link is in the description below. You can get $100 off of your first trip, and you'd also benefit me a little bit. So it's really a win-win all the way around. But yeah, I'm so excited to finally be going on an EF trip. I've been trying to do this for like a year and a half, and my timing has just never really worked out. So I'm so excited, and yeah, let's go. I'm gonna be on a flight in like less than 12 hours. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.